पत्रदेवी वचून हुतात्म्यांक आणि स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांक ताणें आदरांजली दिली। त्या उपरांत ताणें काडिल्ल्या दौऱ्यांत पेडणेच्या धारगळ, कासारबर्णे, वारखंड, नागझर, इब्रामपूर, कोरगांव सारकिल्ल्या विविध पंचायतींक भेट दिली आनी मजतीचें आश्वासन दिलें। सगळे कडेन ताणें लोकांचे गाराणें आयकून घेतले।
We are going to help TB patients, and Rajbhavan is going to take initiative for giving financial aid and other help for 72 patients. So 72 cancer patients, 72 TB patients, and 72 dialysis patients. We are going to extend our aid, and if the cooperation of the people is there, we will be able to our target 72 we can obtain. And just like our dialysis patients, you see 71 up to 500 when it is completed, like that we can serve the people. So our effort is there, and the cooperation I am soliciting all the people, the panchayat members and other people, public servants sitting here should cooperate with the Rajbhavan for this purpose. I would like to say our Goa is going to achieve a self-reliant Goa, Swayam Purna Goa. Goa, of course, Goan people can achieve whatever we want. We will attain self-reliance. Then I would like to request one aspect. Goa, once upon a time, was very famous for the production of paddy. Coconut also. Goa, just like Kerala, was in the forefront. I don't know what happened. Everybody got white collar job. No coconut climbers are not allowed here. Nobody is available according to my information. I don't know. I am not blaming anybody. Coconut climbers are not available. And agricultural operations also. Paddy production and others. Barren land I have occasion to see. I would like to ask, I would like to appeal before you people that every job has got its own proud and prestige. Working hard, fishermen.
गोवा 365 खातीर पत्रदेवी पेडणेच्यान संदीप कामुलकार।